time for the latest headlines from Newsbeat.
One extra. Premier League games off with the weather. Newsbeat. I'm Callum Leslie. Our main story is all about Storm Ciara. Strong winds and heavy rain have cancelled planes, disrupted trains, and now forced Manchester City's match with West Ham to be postponed. There's an amber warning out for a lot of England and Wales, which means there's a possible danger to life. Ciara Keith-Lewis is one of the BBC's weather presenters.
This is quite an unusual storm. It's not the kind of storm that we see every winter. In fact, to see something comparable, we've got to look back to 2013. So this kind of storm happens around about once or twice every decade.
There's yellow warnings for the north of England, Scotland and Northern Ireland, which come with much the same advice.
Newsbeat.
A fourth person in the UK has got coronavirus. It's been confirmed after a British man in Mallorca also tested positive. Earlier, the last government plane bringing people from the city in China where it started landed in Oxfordshire. Elsewhere, votes are being counted in Ireland on who will be the country's Prime Minister for the next few years. An exit poll predicting how yesterday's election might have gone suggests the three biggest parties are all pretty much tied. We've had a bit of research claiming pop song lyrics are officially becoming sadder. It's from Exeter Uni and looked at words in successful songs in America over 50 years. It found fewer positive words. Lottie Grand's worked on it.
If there's negative content in the song, it actually seems to get a higher position in the charts. I think you can put a positive spin on it. Maybe it's giving you some kind of comfort that other people going through the same thing as you.
In football, in a league game that is still going ahead his team's looking for a third league win in a row, but he says he's not surprised the hosts because they have a This is facts! This is what fog lights are for. That was... Okay, I can see now fog lights are going off. Switch them back on if I need them. Wow. Look at this. Oh, he's going to do an undertake, look. Not if I have anything to say about it.